बॉलीवुड की जो अभिनेत्रियां हैं वो क्लोथिंग ब्रांड्स की तरफ ज़्यादा रुख कर रही हैं, आपने मेकअप क्यों चुना?
I think makeup जो है is also something that is synonymous with actors. Because हम लोग रोज़ मेकअप लगाते हैं अलग अलग कैरेक्टर्स निभाने के लिए, different kinds of makeup. So I think that when Lakme came up with this idea, we've been brainstorming it for more than 2.5 years. And I thought that it's something that जैसे आपने कहा बाकी किसी ने यहाँ इंडिया में नहीं किया है. When you talk about makeup internationally, a lot of people have done it, but in India they've never done it. So I immediately agreed, and then for that for 2.5 years we were trying to figure out कि Lakme products और करीना कपूर खान collection में क्या अंतर होगा, क्या actually how will it be different? And then finally when we came up with shades of a diva and different colors in terms of lipsticks, eye pencils, a different kind of mascara, I think that is something that then I just immediately said that I think it's great, it's time to launch it now.
Shades of the Diva reports are also coming that probably the Diva herself will be coming up with a clothing label as well. Ranveer might be collaborating with you.
So no, I don't think so, because I think that's something that's just a rumor, and makeup is something that I'm happy with. There's no plans for any fashion or anything.
ओके करीना, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे जब आप, क्योंकि इतने सालों से आप लैक्मे से जुड़ी हुई हैं, जब आप रैंप पे जाती हैं तो लोगों के फेस पे अपने आप स्माइल आ जाती है. व्हाट इज़ द फर्स्ट थॉट गोज इन योर माइंड जब आप रैंप पे कदम रखते हैं?
आई थिंक दैट इट्स ऑलवेज नाइस, क्योंकि अभी लैक्मे के साथ ये जो रिश्ता रहा है 8 साल से रहा है. आई लाइक इट बिकॉज आई टेक द रैम्प फॉर माई ब्रांड. आई लाइक इट बिकॉज इस बार तो और भी स्पेशल होगा, बिकॉज it's my own personal collection. At the same time, it's a launch for that. So I think that's what it is, and I enjoy walking the ramp.
अच्छा करीना, एक चीज़ और जानना चाहेंगे, क्योंकि लाइक माय कलीग्स है कि सब ने जितने भी सेलिब्रिटीज़ हैं उन्होंने क्लोथिंग ब्रांड की तरफ वो बढ़े हैं, आप मेकअप ब्रांड की तरफ बढ़ी हैं. आप ही एक ट्रेंड लेके आई थी जब तैमूर आपके पेट में था, तब आपने रैंप शो किया था. नाउ अब नेहा धूपिया ने भी रिसेंटली लैक्मे में वॉक किया है. क्या कहना चाहेंगी, बिकॉज यू इंस्पायर्स लॉट्स ऑफ पीपल, नॉट जस्ट आम वुमेन्स बट ऑल्सो सेलिब्रिटीज एज वेल?
नहीं, आई थिंक दैट इट्स बहुत ही पर्सनल चॉइस है, बिकॉज आई थिंक दैट वन कैन definitely be pregnant and walk the ramp. It's not like we are flying or anything. We're walking the ramp and it's part of your work. So I'm glad that people are doing that.
Kareena, you have 2 very wonderful announcements that you just did recently. One is good news and one is that. As a woman who was part of the 100 crore club, you girls did the one thing that we all were hoping for so long. So what's the plan? We all are waiting for the women to also come up, in terms of pay parity as well. And we are Akshay as well. Does Kareena have pay parity? Because she's given a 100 crore hit, she should do it. What do you feel on that?
No, I think that everybody gets what they deserve, and I don't know. I think that I'm happy as long as my role is good, as long as I'm happy with the script, as long as I'm happy with the character that I'm playing. I think that it's fine. I'm happy to work. I think money is a secondary part of a script right now. Right now it's the main focus is on performance, is on script, is on doing something different after We Really Wedding. I think the focus is on that, and I'm quite happy with what I'm getting paid.
Even with that, it's a very big lineup, a lot of big stars and everything. Tell us something that you can tell us something. We are awaiting something.
No, I know, but it's so soon, because the film is only going to start next year, and it's just of course it's a long time, but I think that just working together back again with Karan Johar after Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, I think that is something that is amazing, because Karan is, I think, he's family. Dharma Productions is family to me. It's something that I hold my relationship with him very, very close to my heart, and I'm very happy that after a long time he's going to be directing me, so I'm excited.
एक चीज़ और जानना चाहेंगे, बिकॉज यू आर अ फैशनिस्टा. सोशल मीडिया पे जहाँ देखें आप छाई हैं, लेकिन आजकल तैमूर तो छाए हुए हैं, साथ ही साथ वो जो पैप्स करते हैं उनके साथ इंटरेक्शन भी काफ़ी करने लग गए हैं तैमूर. थोड़ा थोड़ा बोलने लग गए.
Because everybody is calling his name, so he's trying to react to that. I think that's the only reason. But of course, it's too much. I mean, sometimes it gets too much. He's also so small now, so people should understand to respect the fact that he is so young yet, and to constantly keep clicking him and constantly keep around is. I mean, we're dealing with it literally. What can we say?
Last question. Hi Karina, Shivangi this side from Aaj Tak. As you are here, today only one news came that RK Studio is ready to sell. You guys have decided to sell it. So, क्या thought थे, क्या चीजें थी? Because it's very close to you guys.
Yeah, actually, I mean, it's the elders in the family, my father and Chintu uncle and Chimpu uncle, I think they are the ones who would be the best person to answer this question, because I have actually no idea on this thing, that what is the nitty-gritties of the reason. And yeah, I mean, it'll always be close to our heart, because it's a family home, and yeah, but nobody can take away from the fact that RK Films will always be, I think, one of the most glorious productions, one of the most glorious studios, to have ever been made.
Karina,
Okay,
with
thank you.
Saif's wonderful debut in a web series, is there
Second
any
Dreams,
chance that
yeah.
we can see you and probably you and Saif together?
I know, I mean, I would love to work with Saif now, but I think that Sacred Games is actually, it's really put India on the map in terms of the digital space. Nobody really thought that, people would get this reaction. And in fact, me living with Saif, he never spoke about it at home. He just, quietly did his work and, worked really hard on this. And the fact that I think it's just, it's brilliant, and now they're gearing up for season 2, so it's going to be amazing.
Guys, yeah.
What
Is it like to walk for Monisha
Let's-
Jaising this year?
Sorry?
You're walking for Monisha Jaising
Yeah.
this year, and you've worn her before. What's it like to walk?
Let's see. I mean, it's going to be bold. It's going to be fearless, because that's where my line also kind of starts. So it's going to be it's. I think it's going to be the best. Trust me.
Working together to create the shades, the textures, the formats. It's been great. So I'm just going to ask Karina first to talk a little bit about how your experience has been working with us to create this thing.
Well, I think it's first an absolute honor to be a part of the Lakme family for so long, which has been nearly 8 years. I think we've done some spectacular work, and over 8 years, I think we've grown from strength to strength. The brand itself, it's added so much value, I think, to me, to my entire being as an actor. It's become synonymous with me. I mean, it's always been a part of me so much. So I think after a couple of years, when finally there is this bond that comes together, when they approach you with an idea of starting your own line, I think it's so difficult to say no. So I think this was something that has actually been a dream come true for me. I think the fact that it's such an iconic brand, a brand that has been associated in Indian beauty for over 60 years, I think to finally have the Kareena Kapoor Khan collection, with Lakme Absolute, I mean, I have to thank the entire team actually for making this possible, and I think for an actor to start their own makeup line, I think what better, because the whole day we're actually in makeup, and I know so much about it. So actually to share a bit with my fans and all of you, I think it's so important. I think you automatically feel closer, to me when you kind of get the eye pencils or the shades or the different lip colors. Somewhere there's a lot of connectivity. So I think when this idea came about, I think I was like instantly, because also, I'm very apprehensive always about lending my name to certain things, but when it comes to Lakme, I think this collection has just flown, and I hope it flies off the shelves too.
Yes, early news is that all of you know that it's on Nykaa, and we've already sold out more than what we would have normally on any Lakme launch, so it's been very successful. And I've got to say, we're equally honored to have your name with the brand, and it's as synonymous as you said. Since everybody knows about the launch, I'm just going to use this moment to get her to talk a little bit about the backstory of it. So we, of course, going through different products, textures, formats was fun. But there is an interesting story about how the shade names for the lipsticks came about. So Karina, can you tell them a little bit about it, and then maybe unveil the film?
Yeah,
that
of
talks
course.
about it as well?
So I think when it comes to obviously I hate talking about myself in this way, but the fact is that when you're brainstorming with ideas, this is the way it goes. We obviously wanted my fans and people to feel, like I said, connected to me and to all sides of me, and that's why Shades of a Diva. Of course, I'm not a diva. I mean, they feel that, Lakme feels that, but that's that's the way it is. That's the line, And what more than you have, I think, different moods of my personality. That's what we thought that would really connect with the audience. Whether it would be like the playful side to me, or the mischievous side, or the chic side, or the bold side. I think these are kind of words that, at least whenever I read, these are words that are always associated with me. So taking it a step further, I think that's exactly what the Lakme team and me have done. Is that name each, whether it's lipstick. I think it could be like a mischievous pink. It could be that, because there is a side to me which is that. So obviously, kind of keeping all these things in mind and all my characteristics, we've kind of come up with different names. So obviously, people buying it will understand that, okay, this side, there is a playful side to Bebo, there is a bold side, which I think somewhere these characteristics are a lot. They are very, very me. I mean, when you see me, there is that side which is quite bold. Or whether the characters that I've played in my movies have always been either extremely bold characters, like, a heroine, or, in Urta Punjab, or the fact is that if it's like always playful characters, which is like Jab We Met. So I think a lot of people will connect to these names instantly, and I think that's why this idea came about, and I'm so happy that the names that we've come up with, I think it's quite cool, and I would love to unveil and people to know more about it through the video. I believe it's been playing at Lakme also. Not this one?
For the first time.
Because everybody's been messaging me that, oh God, we've seen it like 1,000 times already.
That collection is inspired by, you claim you're not the diva, but you are India's ultimate diva. And it's inspired by the different shades of you, the moods of you, and the styles of you. If you could talk a little bit more about that and then reveal the 3 looks for the campaign.
Well, of course I told you about all the moods, but talking about my favorite color, which obviously, I mean, it is my line, and of course everything is special, everything is amazing. Because obviously it's so close to me. But my favorite color would definitely be what I think my fans would associate me the most, which would be Fearless Red. Because there is a side to me which I think is, completely fearless, be it, the way I've lived my life or the way I choose my roles. And I hope I can continue to do that. So definitely all my fans and people who love me should definitely get the Fearless Red. And every woman especially, because I think women somewhere were really fearless, so I think it's just like a perfect name that we've named this color, and it's red. So I think all of you, especially all the girls, I can already see them smiling and wearing it.
Wait, can we just unveil the 3 looks then?
Yeah, of course. Should we start from there?
Yes.